Hi everyone, welcome to our geology class. The previous class discussed liver structure and liver functions. So let us discuss about the physiology of digestion. So digestion process, what will do function in physiology, the digestive system, what will do function here. So let us discuss in for example, if you take the digestion, what is the digestion means? Digestion means first class we discussed the introduction. Macromolecules converted into macromolecules converted into simple molecules. What is this? The macromolecules converted into simple molecules in the presence of enzyme. The process is known as called digestion. So what is the macromolecules? We discuss macromolecules means carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. Carbohydrate, protein, lipids. Then end products means simple molecules like glucose, protein, peptones, amino acids, and fatty acids. So these like the glucose, peptones, amino acids, fatty acids, end products. That is simple molecules. We know simple molecules. Large molecules is called macromolecules. So with the help of which enzyme actions? Enzymes. Trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, lipase. These enzymes helpful for the digestion, that is breakdown process. With the help of enzymes, these enzymes help the digestion. So in this manner, so what this process starts? We know the started process when we eat the food, eat it present in the buccal cavity. We know this in buccal cavity. So in buccal cavity, which digestion? So in buccal cavity, the presence of salivary glands. These salivary glands presents the enzymes. Which enzymes? That enzyme is called salivary amylase or dialyl enzyme. So for example, we take the carbohydrate with the help of enzyme amylase. So these enzyme, we know this amylase. These amylase action converted into simple molecules means glucose, fructose, and lactose. So these simple absorptive process coming from the carbohydrates with the help of amylase, that is salivary amylase. With the help of salivary amylase action, amylase the process carbohydrates, end products glucose, fructose, lactose. These are called disaccharides. That is disaccharides. So these disaccharides simple absorptive forms. Next to these buccal cavity, simple mechanical digestion. So in buccal cavity, mechanical digestion occurs. Mechanical digestion means teeth are chewing and churning mechanisms. So chisels and flashes food, whatever we eat, the mechanical digestion process in occur buccal cavity. So this buccal cavity presence in the mouth. So it is a simple digestion of carbohydrates, some little of proteins, some little of lipids are digestion in the, for example, salivary lipase. For example, salivary lipase digestion of simple lipids. So that is salivary amylase, salivary lipase enzymes presence in the buccal cavity. And coming to the in buccal cavity going to esophagus. The esophagus, there is no enzymes. There is no enzymes esophagus. Then goes to stomach. Food. So when stomach food, what are the digestion action? So we know this digestive glands. We know this digestive glands produce pepsinogen, peptide. These like example enzymes. And coming to the in stomach digestion. In stomach digestion. So in stomach digestion, we know this stomach digestion. For example, bacteria with the help of presents HCl, which cells secretes HCl? The HCl secretes from peptic cells or axanthic cells. These cells releases HCl from the stomach wall. These stomach wall secretes HCl. This HCl actually from the bacteria killed. So then kill the bacteria, and second one releases pepsinogen. So with the action of HCl, these pepsinogen converted into pepsin, and next one prorenin converted into renin with the action of HCl. But these two enzymes are inactive form. When HCl actions starts, then produce pepsin and renin. So this is active forms. So pepsinogen prorenin is inactive process. When HCl releases from the stomach, is going to pepsin and renin. Okay, these active forms starts. And coming to the when the proteins occurred, the renin going to action of enzyme. These enzyme converted into protease and peptones. The end products is proteases and peptones digestion in the stomach. And coming to the in children's, some of the children's we eat the milk. That is in children's milk present in the casein protein. What is this? Casein protein. These casein protein with the help of calcium ions, with the renin. These renin helpful for the releases and products is a calcium para-caseinate, Ca plus caseinate, that is para-caseinate with the help of calcium. So that's why these action of enzymes mainly stomach presence of different types of proteins, digestion mechanics. So in this digestion will be process called chemical digestion. What is this? Chemical digestion. So in the buccal cavity only mechanical digestion, and stomach digestion is only chemical digestion. So they releases chemicals and oxyntic cells releases HCl. Okay, my dear students, listen carefully. It is very important for us, and the physiological activities in the stomach is very important. Thank you. Right.